Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today I'm going to teach you how to do the decreases in the Camellia Mittens. So the decreases are a little unconventional, so I wanted to do a video to show you how to work them. It's really simple, but they're a little different than your typical decreases so that it would all look the same and stay the same. This mitten is worked from the cuff up. So you do have to decrease at the top and at the top of the thumb to be able to close it up. So that's what I'm going to teach you now. For this pattern, you're going to need some DK yarn. I am using Paint Box Yarn Simply DK. It's a 100% acrylic yarn and an H 5mm crochet hook or hook to obtain gauge. This is a Furl Streamline wood hook. I'll link both the yarn and the hook in the description below. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, as you can see here, I have a half-worked mitten. This is the toddler size mitten. And I've gotten through round 11 before, and then my next round is going to be my decreases. So let's go ahead and let me show you how to do that. So I'm working round 12 in the pattern for the toddler sizes. I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. So I'm working on the wrong side, on the inside of the mitten. I am going to do a single crochet in the first stitch to get started. And then my next is a decrease. It's a DCSC 2 together. So like I said, it's a little unconventional, but it's really quite simple to do. So I'm going to yarn over and insert my hook into that next stitch. And then I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop, just as if I were doing a double crochet. So I have 3 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over again and pull through 2 of those loops. Now I have 2 loops on my hook. Now I'm ready to start my decrease. My next stitch is supposed to be a single crochet. So that's what I'm going to work. I'm going to insert my hook into the stitch. I'm going to yarn over and pull up a loop, just as if I was starting a single crochet. I have 3 loops on my hook now. I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to pull through all 3 to decrease those stitches. So it gives me the height of the double crochet here and the less height of the single crochet in the next stitch. And it keeps the look of the texture and of the stitches exactly the same, but I'm still decreasing by a stitch right there. So my next stitch is going to be a double crochet. And then I'm going to do an SC-DC 2 together. So I'm starting with single crochet for this decrease. So I'm going to insert my hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on my hook, just as if I were doing a single crochet. Now I'm ready to work into the next stitch. So I'm going to yarn over, insert my hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. I have 4 loops on my hook now. I'm going to yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops, just as if I were doing a double crochet. Now I have 3 loops left on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops. So that was the same decrease. I just started with the single crochet stitch and ended with the double. And it gives it the same look as you're working, but you're also decreasing. So now we're ready to start the repeat. So we're going to do 1 single crochet in the next stitch, and then 1 double DCSC 2 together. So yarn over, insert hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2 of those loops, 2 loops on the hook. Then insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. And then we have a double crochet in the next stitch. And then we're doing an SC-DC 2 together. So insert hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 4 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. So as you can see, that texture just stays the same, which is what I was going for. All right, for the next, we're going to do a single crochet. And then now a double crochet, single crochet, decrease. So DCSC 2 together. Yarn over, insert hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through two loops on my hook. Insert hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3. And then we do a double crochet, and then we do a single crochet SC, 2 together. So insert hook into stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 4 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3. And now we're at the end of our round, so I'm going to join with a slip stitch to the first stitch. So as you can see, that just really keeps the texture the same, and it looks really nice. When I was designing it, I tried just regular single crochet decreases and double crochet decreases, and it just did not look right. There were gaps or holes or too much bulk or all different things. So this is ultimately what I went with. It's really simple. It's just a little bit different than what you typically see for a decrease. So now for the last round, we're going to chain 1 and turn, and we're just going to be working single crochet decreases. So SC2 together. So I'm going to insert my hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on my hook, insert my hook into the next one, yarn over, pull up a loop, 3 loops on my hook, yarn over, and pull through all 3. And I'm going to do that all the way around for 6 stitches, just to close that up a little bit more. And one more. And then join to my first stitch, run out of yarn. And for this one, I have already fastened off. So that's what it looks like. So I'll take my yarn needle and I'll just close that up, cinch it closed with my yarn needle. And then I'll do the same for the thumb. I'll attach my yarn, work some rounds with the regular stitch combo, and then do another round of decreases for that. So it works the same. And as you can see, it just keeps the look of it exactly the same, the texture, all of it. And it looks really nice. So that is how to do the decreases for the Camellia Mittens. If you have any questions for me, please let me know in the comments. I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And yeah, I think that's all. I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching.